create your recurring event. Using the toolbar on the left of your screen, select Add Event. From here, press Add Recurring Event. When selecting the date and time to begin recording in the drop-down menu, use the arrows to toggle between months, or press on the name of the month for a menu. After selecting a day, you can select the time by pressing the blue clock at the lower right corner of this drop-down menu. Instead of using the arrows to change the hour and minute, press on the number itself and a menu will appear. Minutes will be displayed in increments of 5. For the next step, you can select how long you would like to keep this schedule. For example, if you only need a recurring event within these parameters for a week, leave the setting at 1 week. For anything longer, adjust accordingly. Please note that once you have set the schedule parameters, you cannot extend that time later. After you set the number of weeks you would like to record on this schedule, select each day that needs recording. If you need to schedule recordings from Monday to Thursday, each of those days needs to be selected. Then, set the recording end date. Just like on the start date, open the menu by pressing on the date and toggle to the appropriate end date. When setting your end date, choose the day that follows. For example, if you want your last recording on a Thursday, end your recording schedule on a Friday. This ensures that your last recording will remain scheduled. Next, click on the event image to add a thumbnail to represent your event. You can adjust the position of your image that will show in the icon. You'll also want to give your recurring event a name. When selecting a name, keep in mind that the system will automatically date the footage you are recording for the day. For example, an instructor creating a recurring event for their morning classes could title their event Morning Lecture to start on Monday, October 7th. This means that the first recording will be named Morning Lecture, October 7th. The following recording will automatically be titled Morning Lecture, October 8th, and so on. Okay, we're almost done. After the event name, add a description if you choose. Select a category that your industry falls under. In this case, we will select Camera Test and toggle settings for comments if applicable. Settings for venue, streaming, cameras, and audio devices may vary. Please reach out to us if you have any questions regarding these settings. As we get to the bottom of the page, select the duration for which your event will be recorded. Keep in mind that this setting cannot be changed after your first recording. If you are creating a private event, select the groups you want to be visible to at this time. After that, press Create Recurring. This will send you to the Recurring Event Management page. You'll be able to see the schedule details and how many of your events have been completed. As an optional step to ensure your event is programmed successfully, toggle to the Event Management page on the sidebar. Use the filter button to search your event name. Click on the Upcoming tab to see each individual event you have created. After doing this, you can ensure that each event has been scheduled correctly.